Want to print only certain sections, odd or even pages, or just selected pages in Word? I'll show you how in this video. Open the document. Open your Microsoft Word document that you want to print. Select the File tab. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window. Select Print. From the left panel, choose the Print option. Adjust Settings. Under Settings, click on the drop-down menu. To print only odd pages, select Print Odd Pages. To print only even pages, select Print Even Pages. Custom Print. If you want to print a specific range or individual pages, select the Custom Print option. In the Pages field, you can enter a specific range, for example, 1, 4, or individual pages, for example, 1, 3, 5. For a range with gaps, you can enter it like this: 1, 4, 6, 10. Select the printer. Ensure you have selected the correct printer. Print. Click on the Print button to execute your printing job. Finish. Wait for the document to print as per your selection. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.